Everyone, my name is Atul. I am a fourth year law student from Bangalore. Uh, I enrolled myself into this business analytics course from SkillLearn. Prior to enrolling myself into this course, I had tried to search, a lot many other analytic courses and other companies that provide such courses. But one thing I found that SkillLearn did better than the other companies was that we had one-on-one virtual learning sessions wherein after the students study through the online recorded sessions, the student had a opportunity to talk to the mentor one-on-one, address all of his doubts, and also this basically helped us to analyze our learning and get a proper understanding of the subject. uh, that mentor was absolutely great. He helped me in clearing all my doubts. Gave me a lot of projects basically, which helped me in understanding how exactly my work is going to be in future, rather than just explaining to me theoretically. And he gave me a lot of examples wherein I could understand the concepts much more in a better way. So yeah, this is one of the major advantage if I speak about SkillLearn. Apart from that, we have a lot of placement opportunity that can happen through this platform. And luckily, immediately after I completed one of the 5 modules, I was eligible for an internship, and I'm very thankful for SkillLearn for that. Because now, apart from me learning from the course, I've also enrolled myself to an internship, wherein I can also earn a bit and also learn a bit alongside working with the actual companies. So as a SkillLearn alumni, I would like to tell all of you who are watching this video to actually book a session and try to learn, try to understand what they offer, and then take up the course. Because I'm pretty sure that once you give a free demo or a free session with us, it's very unlikely that you will go away to somebody else, because the value provided by the course is like way too good. The price offering is very reasonable for the quality of content which is provided. The content is very clear, very simple to understand, and yeah, the doubt solving sessions that you can book with your mentor actually helps you understand things. And all the mentors are senior professionals, so you can guarantee that you're making a good decision by joining this. So yeah, thank you. This is my testimony, and I would encourage all of you who are watching this video to book a demo session and try it out for yourself. And yeah, thank you, SkillLearn. Thank you for everything that you've done for me.